Dito pa ako lalapos. Uli. Oo, sa Coral Wing. Saan ba yun? Ah, okay. Mag-ikot muna ako bago ako punta ng room. Salamat. Let's go. Ay, walang siya. Hindi ko tayo. Lala. Ang parang galitan ako. Ang matutan mo. Meron nila. Walang katao-tao dito. Pwede ko kayong maaligid. Ayan. Ito yung hindi nadayo ng almost empty. But they're not here. I know, my king size na wala na. Ikat na siya. Mga chandelier. Okay. Ito yata yung entrance. Ito pa yung check-in. Dito ba yung oh no, it's okay kaya. Hanap ko ng elevator. Good evening. Kuya, saan yung elevator niya dito?
Anong room po kayo?
16.
1606 dito po man. Kabila mo.
Diyan lang. Okay, salamat. Balay. 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 Uy, express check ako. Salamat. Okada! Here we are in Okada, Manila. And look, they have an Italian restaurant here. So if you're interested, check this out. Whoever can afford. And this is the 16th floor. You believe this massive lobby right here. So where am I? Which room am I? 160, 63. 63. I think so. Alright. I'm so scared. This lady scares me, man. 160. Oh, 63. 63, right? 63, just right here. Just right around the corner. 64 and 63. Yan. Okay, and top to bottom. This is my room right here. Been sealed. They have this thing that it's been cleaned, sanitized, ready to use. And you just slide up right here. And it pips. Open it. Ooh. Oh wow. Sit. Ah. It's beautiful. Oh, wow, very cozy. Yung nga lang twin bed. It's all good. Very good. Isang gabi lang naman ako dito. Oh my god, I'm so very tired, no? Look at this. And there's a massive entryway. So let's look around. Ah. Wow. Sabi niya ocean view daw eh. Ocean view. So paano nga natin makita yung ocean view? Dito ba? We'll see. Oh my god. Look at this. It's so worth it. I think I would rather stay here than Conrad. Because in Conrad, man. Sabi may ocean view, so the bathtub has the view of the ocean. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Okay. Oh my god, don't force it, Maggie. So that's it's the pool outside. Laki pala nito, no? Ayan. Tapos ito yung bathroom. Sosyalan ng mga amenities. Ito yung soap. Oh, Roberto Cavalli. Okay. Na. Okay na din. Roberto, ha? Okay, sana ko mga Prada. No? Pero okay na din. Tingnan mo, oh. Malaki na to. Ayan, mag-enjoy ka sa paligo. Maligo ka ng sobrang matagal. Mag-CR ka ng sobrang tagal. Ito siguro talaga yung, oh wow! Oh, Japanese! In fairness, Japanese na setup. Ito yung mga button niya. Gusto mo ng shower, cleansing. Diba? May ganun. Warmer to eh. Usually, yeah. Warm siya. Tapos may may beauty setup ka na. Pwede ka mag-vlog. So, saan yung view sabi? Oh, yan siguro. Yan yung sinasabi nila. Na view. May cortina dito. Ayaw. Yan. Magsasarado siyang ganon. O, diba? So, kung bubuksan mo siya, ganyan. Open mo all the way. All the way, kapatid. Oh. Ayan. Ay, ayaw. Ayaw na. Siguro, nasira ako.